Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Facebook not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and have updated version of iOS 17 and facing this type of issue that Facebook is not opening, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with proper internet connection with your iPhone. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys secondly you need to open your app store in your iPhone, and guys after this here you need to search Facebook. So guys simply you need to search your Facebook, and guys after this you need to click on Facebook, and guys you need to update your app from here. And guys after doing update you need to go back, and guys you need to open your settings and scroll it down, click on general, and guys click on iPhone storage. And guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on Facebook. Here you need to find Facebook, and guys you need to click on offload app and click on offload, and after doing offload you need to go back. So guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. So guys if still not solve your problem and having this issue, then guys you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on general, and guys click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network settings. And after doing this simply you need to go back, and guys click on VPN and device management and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. And guys after doing this simply you need to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest version iOS 17.1. so guys if you are using iOS 17, then guys many of features not working and apps having lagging problem in iOS 17. So guys simply when you update this iOS 17.1, then guys all the features will be working fine and all the apps will be working fine on your iPhone. So guys hope you like this video. If you like this video please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.